UIUCares is a community service arm of UIU, and over the last year, we have focused on our involvement in Nigeria. Opening the UIUCares Enugu office has given us the opportunity to see firsthand and in real time the need in our community. This allows us to tailor our efforts to directly cater to those in need. We have fed the poor, the widowed, the disabled, and needy children. We are grateful for your support. None of this would be possible without you.
United for this opportunity, for even remembering us and giving us this food item. We want to thank them and appreciate them because this thing will go a long way for every one of us. And because if every NGO, every individual in Nigeria is remembering us in this way, I believe that PWDs in Nigeria will live a better life. So and the more grace to their elbow in Jesus' name. Amen.
According to the World Economic Forum, the average Nigerian family spends about 56% of his household income on food. Poverty rates continue to skyrocket in our home country, especially during this COVID era. The reality is that most families are having problems providing the basic necessity of food. This is even more problematic because there's a direct connection between truancy and poverty, given the value of education and the role it plays in opening doors of opportunity. We set out to feed students at school in order to increase attendance and interest in education. We have served over 6,500 meals this year, and with your help, we hope to do more.
Education is paramount for many Igbo families. Brilliant students are not afforded an opportunity to reach higher levels of education due to limited finances. In addition to our continued support of elementary students at Bridges Academy, we've selected 10 brilliant secondary school students with limited resources and have paid for their tuition and provided a stipend for their necessities. We will mentor and encourage them throughout their secondary education. We hope that with your continued support, we can add more students and hopefully support them at the university level.
My name is Thank you, UIUCares, for the scholarship.
UIUCares approaches social change in a holistic and integrated way. We do this considering all systems which affect the individual as well as the community in order to identify unmet material needs, poor service delivery, and inadequate resources.
My name is from Transequal Girls Secondary School. I am one of the participants undergoing the training organized by UIU Unite. On behalf of my colleagues, I want to say a huge thank you to UIU Unite for giving us this great platform and the opportunity to participate in this training. During the course of this training, we've learned a lot, and we've improved in our typing skills, in our Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint skills, and I just want to say a huge thank you to UIU Unite for having the girl child at heart and for deeming it fit for our school to be one of the participants of this training. And I want to say that on behalf of my colleagues, we will continue to progress in our digital skills because this is a digital generation and this generation is meant for the girl child. Thank you.
50% of our population is under 19. We must start now to prepare this generation for success. We need to give them tools that will enable them to participate and excel in this new technological world. Our tech program teaches computer basics to secondary school students who otherwise would have no access to actual computers. The program allows the students to develop their computer literacy skills so they can be more marketable in their future careers. Join us as we create the next pipeline of talent in Igbo land.
UIU is not a political organization, but we're aware of the deficiencies in our leadership that continue to limit our progress as a country. Nigeria's upcoming election in 2023 is an opportunity for all Nigerians, especially young voters, to get involved in our democratic process. There is a dismal rate of voter registration in the Southeast. Therefore, UIUCares started educating young voters and created an avenue with INEC to register more voters. We have a long way to go, but with your help, we will keep pushing for our voices to be heard.
Our adas, our girls, are a source of pride and hope to our community, and we must strive to protect and honor them. The healthcare situation in Nigeria is a difficult hill to climb, but we're looking at ways where we can provide necessary resources. One of those ways is with our adas. With this in mind, UIUCares began its Girls Health program to teach them about their bodies. Our program teaches the foundations of female hygiene and provides them with the sanitary products they need to practice good hygiene. We know that as we teach them pride and courage, that it will awaken their voices to take charge of their health.
Our big ask this year is to join us as we provide a brand new 10-toilet building to Trans Ekulu Girls Secondary School. It's a school of 2,300 girls, and they do not have a single functioning bathroom for students nor for teachers. Many girls here can tell you of the horrors they have experienced with using a toilet in Nigeria, talk less of not having any access at all. It is a difficult and heartbreaking situation as many girls skip school because there are no facilities available to use. Help us change the lives of these 2,300 girls.
UIU, this is your work. This is all possible because of you and your giving. We are working together as a unit, and we are grateful for the opportunity to serve and prepare our community.